nandito po si Atty. Roque at saka si Sir Malcolm. Patin lang natin ang happy birthday.
Sinong birthday?
Sir Malcolm. Ito, Sir Alvin.
I had to be here.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
It's incredible to be here, and thank you so much, Alvin and Sir Aldo, for what you've done. It's this gathering of Filipinos that I find so emotional. You know, people coming from across the world to be here, and I really appreciate what you've done. And I'm wearing my barong. You said Filipino dress, right? Although it's kind of in it, I'm still going to wear it. Thank you so much. It's not too bad, but yeah, I'm here anyway. And also, I have my Duterte watch. Sorry. I got this in 2017 and I had my wristband, so I'm kind of all Duterte dog.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay po kayo, sir, hanggang gusto nyo.
Thank you so much to the followers of Alvin. You're doing an amazing job. I just can't believe how much effort and appreciation you put into this. Maraming salamat, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ito. Sarap. Daming pagkain, guys. So, wow, dami nilang handa. Alright, it's Makalek. Kasama na yan yung Kings Day dito na celebration, ah. Ayos.
Ilapit mo.
Guys, punta tayo dito, merong free ice cream. Ito po yung Villa Italia ice cream. So, tignan natin kung free. Yan. Yan si ate, may-ari ng Villa Italia ice cream. Right? Free lang po ang ice cream na to, pero you can also donate something kung gusto nyo. Yung guys, thank you Villa Italia ice cream. Ayun, meron tayong dalawang ice vanilla and strawberry. Villa Italia, thank you very much. Free ice cream. Alright, mabuhay po kayo ate at ang Villa Italia ice cream.
Hello, Philippines!
Oh, shoutout naman mga bossing! Agusan del Sur. Davao. Pero ang trabaho nyo na truck driver dito sa Europe or sa ibang bansa? Ah, okay. Nagbisita lang kayo dito para lang makatin sa araw na to. Ah, okay. So dito rin kayo naka-base. Ayos, ayos. Thank you. Alright. Guys, kainan na. It's lunch time. It's Makalek. Thank you. Katatapos pa lang. Oo. Haba ng pila ng ice cream. Free lang po yan guys. Free ice cream of Villa Italia. At saka doon naman ay free ang french fries or patat. Guys, may mga pakain doon sa ilalim ng puno. Kakainan sila. Oh, ito si Jerry Boy, Jackie Chan. Also known Jackie Chan of Amsterdam. Shout out Jerry Boy.
Duterte.
Right. Laban
Tayo, Duterte.
Alright. Ngayon chill lang si Atty. Roque. Guys. Alright. Yan guys, ang ating video muna po ngayon.